Good morning to all. Today we will continue chapter number 6, retirement of a partner. Today we will learn how to adjust partner's capital when total capital of the new firm is equal to total capital before retirement of a partner. We will understand with a question number 55 from T.S. Grewal. The question is, following is the balance sheet of Kusum, Sneh and Usha as on 31st March 2020, who gave agreed to share profits and losses in the proportion of their capitals. On 1st April 2020, Kusum retired from the firm and the remaining partners decided to carry on the business. It was agreed to reevaluate the assets and reassess the liabilities on that date on the following basis. Land and building be appreciated by 30%, machinery be depreciated by 30%. There were bad debts of rupees 35,000. The claim against workman compensation reserve was estimated at rupees 15,000. Goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 2,80,000 and Kusum's share of goodwill was adjusted against the capital account of the continuing partners Sneh and Usha, who have decided to share future profit in the ratio of 3:4 respectively. Capital of the new firm in total will be the same as before the retirement of Kusum and will be in the new profit sharing ratio of the continuing partners. Amount due to Kusum will be settled by paying rupees 1 lakh in cash and balance by transferring to her loan account, which will be paid later on. You have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm after Kusum retirement. Look at the screen. First of all, we have to prepare revaluation account. For revaluation account, first adjustment is land and building be appreciated by 30%. You write on credit side by land and building account. The value of land and building is given in the balance sheet, that is 4 lakh. You have to calculate 30% of 4 lakh, that is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Second adjustment is machinery be depreciated by 30%. The value of machine is given 6 lakh. You have to calculate 30% of 6 lakh, that is 1,80,000. You write on debit side of revaluation account to machinery account. Uh, 1,80,000. Next adjustment is there were bad debt of rupees 35,000. There is a reserve in balance sheet of 20,000. You write two bad debts account 15,000. 35,000 minus 20,000, 15,000. The total of this side 1,95,000 and we transfer on credit side 1,95,000 and you will write by loss transferred to capital account. There are three partners, Kusum, Sneh and Usha. The loss is 75,000. The profit sharing ratio is in their capital ratio. Their capital is 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 4 lakh. The ratio is 2, 3, 2. You will divide this amount in their profit sharing ratio, that is 2, 3, 2, and you will get 21,429, 32,142, and again 21,429. After revaluation account, we have to prepare partners capital account. Kusum, Sneh, Usha, you'll write to buy balance BD the capital balance of the partners 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 4 lakh, 4 lakh, 6 lakh, and 4 lakh. The loss of revaluation is transferred to the partners capital account. You write on debit side to revaluation account. The amount is 21,429, 21,429, and 32,142, 32,142, and 21,429 again. And in this question, employee provident fund is given, that is 30,000 only, and there is an adjustment of claim for workman compensation reserve is 15,000. Remaining value of workman compensation fund is distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. You will write by workman compensation reserve of fund 15,000, and this amount will be distributed among the partners in profit sharing ratio 4,286, 6,428, and 4,286 again. Now we have to calculate goodwill of the Kusum share. Working note. Goodwill of the firm is given in the question, that is 2,80,000. 2,80,000. Now, Kusum share of goodwill 2,80,000 into Kusum share Kusum share of 2 by 7, 3 to 5 to 7, 2 by 7. Kusum share is 2 by 7. 7 4 the 28, that is 80,000. The goodwill of the Kusum share is 80,000. Now we have to calculate gearing ratio. You write calculation of gearing ratio. Kusum is equal to 2, 3, 2. It is old ratio, and Snake and Usha. New ratio is given in the question, that is 3:4. 3:4. The new ratio. You know, gaining ratio is equal to new share minus old share. New share of Snake 3 by 7. Old share of Snake 3 by 7. Nil. Next, Usha is equal to Usha new share 4 by 7 minus old share 2 by 7. You will get 2 by 7. The Usha is only sacrificing, gaining partner. Usha is only gaining partner in this question. Then the entry is Usha capital account debit to Kusum capital account. You will write by Usha capital account 80,000. Here you will write to Kusum capital account 80,000. Only Usha is compensating to the Kusum. Next point is you will calculate new capital of the partners. Calculation of capital. You will write the total capital of the firm before Kusum retirement is equal to 14,000. 4 plus 6 plus 4, 14 lakhs. 14 lakhs. Sorry, 14 lakhs. The new capital of Sneh and Usha is equal to 14 lakh, and new share is 3 by 4, 3 by 7 and 4 by 7, 6 lakh and 8 lakh. The new capital of Sneh is 6 lakh and the new capital of the Usha is 8 lakh. Now you will write to bank account. You have to pay 1 lakh in cash to Kusum, 1 lakh. And now to Kusum loan account, and in the last you will write to balance CD, the balance of capital of the partners. New capital is 6 lakh. Sorry, 6 lakh, 8 lakh, the total of this 4 lakh 80,000 and 84 divided 4 lakh 84,286 and transfer to debit side 4 lakh 84,286, and you have to less all the items 21,429 and 1 lakh, and finally you will get 3,62,857. Now, for Sneh, you will write 6 lakh. This side is more than that side. 6 lakh 32,142. 6 lakh 32,142. Here you will write by bank account. The difference is 25,714, and for Usha you will add 8,80,000 and 21,429. That is 9,01,429. 9,01,429, and you have to less 4,286, and you will get 4,97,143. It is balancing figure. It means Sneh and Usha will bring this amount to the firm. Now the last the balance sheet. To the balance sheet, you will write capital account, remaining partners Sneh and Usha, 6 lakh, 8 lakh. The total of this 14 lakh. Next is Kusum loan account. 3,60,857. 3,62,857. Next, employee prudent fund. The amount is 70,000. Next, claim for workmen compensation fund is 15,000. Last is Sunday creditors. The value of Sunday creditors is 1 lakh. Now on asset side, you will write land and buildings. Four lakh plus 1,20,000. It is 5,20,000. Next, machinery. The value of machinery is 6 lakh minus 1,20,000, and you will get 1,80,000, and you will get 4,20,000. Next, clothing stock. The value of clothing stock is 2 lakh. Sundry debtors. Sundry debtors is 2,20,000 less bad debt 35,000. Next, cash at bank. It is 1,85,000. And for calculation of bank balance, the opening balance of bank is 2 lakh. You paid 1 lakh to Kusum plus Sneh will bring 25,714. Usa will bring 4,97,143. The bank balance is 6,22,857. The total of balance sheet is 19,47,857. 19,47,857. That's all. I hope you understood. Okay, thank you.